Namaste to all the wonderful souls. So today I'll be discussing a few important exercises that will helping you out in releasing the neck and the shoulder pain. Also, people are experiencing headaches, stress and other related issues. So my dear friends, practice this exercise and it will help you out. Starting with the exercise, the first exercise in the series is just putting your hand on the head. We'll try to touch our shoulder, this ear on the shoulder, okay, like this. You can do this for 5 to 10 seconds. Start with 5 seconds preferably. Now tilting my head on the other side with the other hand. See, okay. So now the next exercise in the sequence is chin up and down. You will be touching your chin downwards in this hole, in this depression that's there, okay? So inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. You can do this at least 7 to 10 times, okay? Now next exercise is looking sideways. So starting, again you can practice this minimum 10 times, okay? 10 times each side you can practice this. Now coming to the next exercise in the sequence is the rotation of the neck. So I'll tell precaution for people who are having cervical problems. So they need to take a particular precaution. First we'll see exercise for normal people. Yeah. Rotate your neck like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay? Breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe down. So when you are going up like this, it will be inhalation. When you are going down, it will be exhalation. Now, for people who are having cervical problems, so they need to take a precaution. They will not bring their neck, their chin downwards. They'll do it like this. Okay? They'll simply do it like this. Alright, my dear friends. So these are the exercises that I have discussed for the neck. Now, with neck, our shoulders are connected. So we also need to work on our shoulders. So coming towards the exercise for shoulders. First exercise in the row for the shoulders is shoulders up and down like this. With each inhalation, shoulders will go up. Shoulders down, exhale, up and down, up and down. You can practice this minimum 10 to 15 times. Okay? Now, second exercise for shoulders is putting both the hands, both the fingers on the raised part of your shoulders and raise your shoulders, both the hands like this, okay? In this manner. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, you can practice this 8 to 10 times minimum. Alright. Coming for the next exercise is rotation of shoulders. Okay, put your hands like this on the shoulders and you will be rotating your shoulders like this. Okay, the clockwise at least 5 to 10 times and then in the anti-clockwise manner. Now I am doing in the other side anti-clockwise. See, both the shoulders are coming up and elbows are meeting. So you can practice this, okay, on both the sides or as per your convenience. Now, next exercise in the sequence is the rotation of shoulders, okay, like this. Again, you'll do this minimum 7 to 10 times clockwise and 7 to 10 times anti-clockwise. So my dear friends, practice these exercises. It will help open up your neck and the shoulder region, because this region is very important because it is connected with your spine. Most of the people are having headaches nowadays. The major reason for this is this blockage in this area, because when we are working in front of computer, we are hunching our backs. Our posture is disaligned. Okay, our shoulders are like this. So we need to be careful with this. Also, kids nowadays, they are not maintaining their postures. Kids, be it working professionals, be it anybody, sitting, okay, like homemakers or even you can say elderly people. So they are having these problems. So you can practice these exercises. It will be helping you out, and also it will help manage all the pains over here that you are experiencing, and it will also manage your stress problems. Yes, stress is also linked to our shoulders and neck, this region. Also, it will make your head much lighter. You'll feel more energetic. Okay, keep practicing exercises, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.